Alright guys, so basically we do some room service. My husband, can you come and take out can you come take off these for me? This is the cover. It was raining a little bit, guys. Ooh, that's a nice fish. So this is the grilled chicken wrap, and this is the fish, and we ordered some, what's that, Bessa? Some fruit salad, and this is for me, healthy chicken salad. Something else down there. What else down there? Oh, and they gave us, I think this is mango cake. I don't think we're gonna eat that. And we have salad, so healthy food. This one for me, and that's for my husband. And we're gonna have the fruit together. I think we might just mix some of the fruits in with the salad. Alright guys, so we're gonna enjoy. See you later. So this is the first meal and this is room service. Yes, it's closed. It rained. Remember, see up here rain, and it's an outdoor. Oh. So we're gonna grab something here, guys. Huh? Fish and chips. We're just gonna the restaurant, guys. If you one day we're gonna come and have dinner, right? We're gonna have dinner here. No, I think this one is a hi. Can we just grab something to go? Yeah, it's really pretty in here, guys. Alright guys, so basically I'm gonna do orders, and it's pretty here. How you go over that side? Yeah. Little lounge area, guys. Hello. It's kind of pretty. People playing pool over there, and it's pretty nice here. These lights are it's really posh and nice in here, guys. My husband walking about down there. We're just waiting on the food, guys. I'm just giving you a little quick tour. Entertainment team. And you also have a pool. You got a pool area over there, guys, with a pool table, people playing pool. And you have the upstairs, the rooms upstairs here. I love these lights. It's so cool. If you want coffee or tea. This one is closed for the night. It's dark out here. I'll show you tomorrow, guys. I love a piece of mirror artwork. Look at those, guys. They're so pretty. Sky Terrace, this one's called. They're excited, guys. They have, look at this piece of artwork, guys. Oh my god, It made from a zinc pan. Anybody know zinc, guys? They cut the zinc. This is zinc that you use to roof. So they cut the metal in style and they flip it and layer it on each other and paint it in like brass or bronze or whatever. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, and they almost like my DIY. All right, and that's outside. And basically this here is the sky terrace. My husband is just walking around, just walking the, and this is the other one. It's so pretty. And this is the area, sky terrace. Huh? No thank you. You can make some if you want. Alright guys, we got chicken drumsticks, we got salad, and we got jerk chicken and fries. Alright guys, I'm just walking you through, and this is it. This is the corner view. Really fancy, really pretty. And you have one more over there. I love these. Oh my god. Crab, everything's like from the sea, the ocean. Coral, white, turquoise, sandy color. All right, so it's cute, really pretty. All right guys, so I'm gonna get something to eat and then I'm gonna go sleep, and that's it. I still have my same outfit on for the day, so I'll see you later guys. $360. Ooh, my head has spin. Later. Alright guys, it's day 2 and it's raining a lot, so I'm just going to show you out on the balcony. We're going to grab something to eat. Oh my god, it's raining guys, it's raining. So basically this is me on the balcony. This is the beautiful view. It's really pretty guys, really pretty. Alright, so guys, I'm just waiting for my husband to get the umbrella. We're gonna go that way and we're gonna go under that tall building and we're gonna get something to eat, and I'm gonna take you with me. Guys, there's a mango tree and I see some mango under it. Can you see it? Yeah, alright. And that's a cute little fall, relaxing fall for you to go sleep. Alright, look at that. And it's raining. Oh, I hope it passes soon because I want to go down to the beach and I want to go to the pool. Ah, there's a pool over there and to the beach. Alright, let's go guys for breakfast. Alright guys, so this is the step. You just have to be careful. It's not slippery at all because it's all wood and it's not painted or anything, but you just have to be careful going down because we are on top. Okay, and this is my little front view. Just people going about. My husband coming there guys with the umbrella. You have the key? I don't know if he has the key. And this is a little what do you call that, waterfall right here guys, and people are in. That's the fun. All right guys, we're gonna go for breakfast. You woke me up because you have to get wet. Yeah, it's beautiful guys. Oh, so they have one I got this one. Yeah. And what's the new type? It says on this umbrella guys, look how pretty it is. It said Jamaica, Bahamas, all the places where we at. Lucia, St. Lucia, Barbados, Grenada. Oh god, hit the mosquito here. Come on. Oh god, bless you know, hit him. Alright guys, so these are all the places there. And the pool is over there. I'll show you after guys when it's not raining, and that's a big love sign. And this is where I'm coming from. Show you more guys. Oh, and these are the fishes I was telling you about. Fishy, different colors. It's so pretty. We have some over there. I'll show you more, guys, when it's not raining. We're gonna have some breakfast. Hello, good morning. How are you?
I am wonderful.
Okay, good.
Any plan yet for the call?
No, not yet.
Later?
Yeah, later. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna have breakfast. So this is where you come.
Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm gonna grab something to eat. Omelette. Good morning. Hi. Just a little bit for me. A little bit more. Thank you. Do you like that dressing? What's that? Hash brown?
One.
You want more? One more. Thank you. Yeah, I like it. Hi, thank you. You want some?
I don't want any more, please.
You want anything more?
No.
What else? Oh, bacon, no bacon. Want some fruits? Oh, there's the oatmeal.
Yeah.
Oatmeal. That's how the oatmeal is. I take some eggs. You're taking fruits? Put some here for me too. You're taking some fruits, guys. Tomato? Yeah. No more. Alright, guys. You want some eggs? Here. Put half more for me because I don't take anything.
Please.
Okay. You know they use milk, right? Regular milk.
See it right here.
Yeah.
The milk right here.
No, I don't. You have lactose milk, like anything lactose, almond,
They will have the thing where you'd have to have a check or something for it. No, almond milk in this one.
Yeah, almond milk because I don't want the regular milk. Okay. At the end, okay, guys, I'm gonna get some oatmeal. My husband and I'm gonna get some cornmeal. I like my cornmeal porridge thick, guys, but this is not thick. So I'll take a little bit. At the table, at the end. Alright. Just gonna get some oatmeal.
Hello?
Right here. And he's gonna give you some almond milk. Thank you.
Okay.
That's your breakfast. So this is my breakfast, guys. Guys, we have some birdies. I think they're hungry. Blackbird. Okay, guys, I'm ordering.
Yes, a little bit. Only one or two?
Want one? You want to taste one?
No, I'm okay.
You okay? One then.
Only one.
Bread, too much bread is not good.
One more plate for the food.
Guys, we're just gonna pick up some fresh fruits here. We're gonna take a little bit of watermelon. You hold it.
I'm about to hear right now.
I'm just grabbing some.
You want cantaloupe or pineapple?
All of them. Both.
Oh, papaya. Gonna have to stretch here. Because somebody I want some mangoes. I can't get the mangoes. Let me get the mangoes here. Show it over here. Oh, thank you so much. That will do? Wanna grab an apple for later? Okay, that's good. Okay guys, this is it and this is what we're taking home. So we grabbed some fruits for the room so we can snack on until lunchtime. Alright guys, fresh fruits. Alright. You get it? It's coming down. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going back to the room. Watch yourself, water. Alright guys. This is okay, this is good. Fresh fruit. Look guys, lots of fruits. I love apple. Oh, the pool is over there where they're talking about. You know, we could go up there for lunch, up top for lunch. Yeah, we could go up top for lunch, you know.